Now, allegations of exam malpractice cannot be treated lightly. Exams are rolled out to define the future of each candidate was such.
At Starehe, we had 153 candidates, a private center in St. Teresa's Boys Primary School. First of all, the sad thing is that all these people were belonging to one community, and they were found with 35 cell phones. So it means whoever was frisking them did not frisk and must have been compromised. And that's where we don't argue with you. We just take you out. Secondly, we were able to identify 26 of them, who I believe will be appearing in court today. I think these are tips of the iceberg. We must just continue to be vigilant. Maybe there is an imagination that everything has been relaxed a bit because there were shifts in the ministry, but I think I want to assure you and everybody else that there is no cause for alarm. I'm of the very firm opinion that the results that our children will get will belong to them.
Yesterday, the good thing is that, and which I would want to thank our teams, is that they are taking some of these desperate actions because they are trying to get answers from individuals outside the examination room at the time that the exam is going on. Meaning that our systems are working, the multi-agency system is working because they cannot access examination before the morning. So most of them is an early exposure where they try to get maybe an exam, and you could see that was an exam that we were doing, that was the second paper. And they tried to get early entrance into the system, into this pre-exposure before the other examination, mainly the second examination. But we are going to refocus again on this question of private candidates so that we can see ways in which they can be properly managed.